Right, back at my truck. The weather's calmed down a bit now. Now, I had a friend, it's not starting, it was running and then it cut out before I put it in here. It's always started, but at the time I thought it was fuel because it didn't smell of fuel. And I got a friend to spin it over and it is sparking, so what I'm going to do, I'll take the intake fuel pipe off and I'll take the petrol cap off and then I'll try it again and see if there's any fuel coming up. And then I'll try blowing it back down through. Now, there's a new fuel pump I put on it, but it's a new second hand one, so, you know, it could be blocked. We don't know. It's definitely fuel in it because I put 2 gallon in it unless it's all fucking run out, but I think so. Right, I'll get this pipe off. Right, take this intake pipe off here. This is the one that comes off the pump. Now I've got a clear filter on it because I can't see, I can't tell there's fuel in it, but I don't think that's. I've got somebody to look at it now. Take this pipe off. I've got a tub here. Oh God. Right, one day. That's it. What I'll do now is I'll go and spin it over. I'll take the cap off, just to make sure. Right, I'll just spin this over. I've got the cap off, just in case it's airlocked. Because that drawing up. Don't smell fuel though. Don't smell no petrol. Nah. That's a smidgen. Okay. Right, I'm going to try blowing the airline in here. And what this will do, if I hear it gargling, that'll give me an indication that that's the bloody thing. Let's see. It's a fuel pump. Smelling fuel now. Don't hear that gurgling in the tank though. Let's see. I'll try connect the back up, see if that does anything. If not, I could put a separate supply on, put the fuel into a bottle and test the pump without taking the pump off. Yeah, get a petrol can and set it underneath. That's what I'll do. Let's see if I can hear the fuel bubbling. I put 2 gallon in it myself. Right, I think what I'll do, still not getting fuel up. I'll try it one more time. I've got the pipe disconnected. I don't want to put a rag around the end of that, put the thing right on it because you maybe dislodge pipes. Even though this one's disconnected. Yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll still not fucking pump none. Nah, dry as a old none. Right, I think what I'll do, I'll get a gallon of E5, you can't get it in this town that I live in. And I'll get a bit of hose and I'll put it under the thing and just test the pump that way. Rather than take the pump off. It's not a big deal to take the pump off. I've got another one lying there. I fitted this one because I had an electric one on it when I got it. So I've got another one there, a spare second hand one. So I'll do. I'll wait till I get fuel. There's not much else I can do. I'll get a gallon of fuel and I'll put it underneath the thing. Right, that'll do it now. I suppose I should, when I'm here, I'll top up the coolant in this Fiesta. I need to open the bonnet and get a bonnet prop or some decision because the bonnet fucking thing's broken. Right, I'll do that then. I've got some antifreeze to put in this, so I'll get this opened up. Right, I've jammed the bonnet up with a bit of timber as I say it. I tried to put a riv nut in it and I was just doing it myself and I was trying to hide the bonnet and do it and I ended up fucking it up, but never mind. Right, let's get the radiator cap off there. Oh no, it's full. Oh, son. No. I was going to have to put a wee bit of antifreeze in there. No, I must have topped it up. Oh, sugar. Yeah, cap to go back on. What's going on with that? Nothing. Try again. Oh, that's fine then. I need to worry about anything like that then. I'll go and look at the other Escort one that's in here. I haven't used this one at all this year, but I'll make up for it next year. That's a definite. It's going to need a clutch in it, right? But see if I can get the next year at it. So I will. Put my foot in the clutch, so that's what I can do. Do it periodically. Try and prevent the flywheel sticking to the clutch. I like this car. It's my good car. I'm going to tidy it up this year. I'm going to get a new dash top for it. It's splitting, it's annoying me. I can get plastic ones now. And some new door rubbers and fiberglass bit for that end of that glove box. That annoys me too. Got a wee bits, but I'll get them. I got the louver on the back. RS spoiler. Yeah, she's coming back out next year. Well, that's successful, I suppose. Don't need antifreeze for the pickup. Don't need antifreeze for the Fiesta. And this is where I didn't go and dig it out because I know where it is, and I need a gallon of E5 to test the pickup before I can go back to it. I suppose I could start the Fiesta up when it run. Saying that, it's only going to fucking blow for. Well, I'll shut the garage up first. Ugh, nah, do it now. That'll do me the now. I say I'll get a gallon of fuel and I'll put it straight on at the pump. Hi. Suppose I think I could get somebody to check the gauge, like the gauge works like, but I did put 2 gallon in it. I've only been at the high road and back. Aye, I flung that slab down. There was a slab next to that post over there. It's too late in the day to start it, but next time I come out I'm going to shift the Fiesta back, shift the pickup back a bit, drag that tractor out of there, fling some slabs in the corners to get it, so I can get it further in. Well, that'll do, innit? Lock the garage up. Of course, the other thing I just thought of is I was blowing it at the carburetor. If I took the pipe off where it goes after the pump, after the filter, it goes to the fuel line. Maybe a chance of hearing the fuel bubbling. I don't want to take anything else off until I've tested the pump, so I need to get off then anyway, so I might as well do all that at the same time. But that'll do it.